Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 4, question number 90. In this question, we know that in a football match, the result may be win, lose, or draw. That means we have 3 outcomes. So we have to determine the number of possible outcomes obtained in a round of match. Okay, that involves 12 teams. So there are 12 teams. So in a match, we will have 6 matches. In a round of match, we will have 12 teams compete each other. So 6 matches here. So for each matches, the outcome will be either win, lose, or draw. So it will be like, well, we fill in 6 slots, okay, with the possible outcomes for each slot. So for each slot, the possible outcome is 3. I have 3 choices, win, lose, or draw. So the second match, they're independent. So 3 outcomes, 3 outcomes, 3 outcomes, 3 outcomes, 3 outcomes. Therefore, all in all, the number of outcomes will be the number of possible outcomes will be 3 to the power of 6. So 3 to the power of 6 is actually 729. That is the answer, the possible outcomes for the 6 matches.